Hey, what's up? Welcome. Today is episode 1 of me trying to learn birds. It's what I'm gonna do a 3 day or a week course of this. Today is just on, shut up. Just don't worry about that. Try focusing on me. Try. I don't know if you can, but so today's main focus is the stuff I'm gonna use and the place I'm gonna sit and do everything. The place I'm gonna sit is right there. I'm not gonna show it. It's a bit dirty right now, but this is where I'm gonna capture the birds. This is where the birds are gonna be, and I'm gonna capture them. The tools I'm gonna use is a camera, a Sony camera, and a Mac. And the things I've been going through are all the to-dos and not to-dos in this. So I'm trying to stay as close to the bird, but without them noticing me. So it's gonna be a bit hard, but I'm gonna try. And another thing is I'm gonna do I'll try my best to do the bird thing today if it's possible. But I just wanna make this clear and establish this point is that I'm gonna even be using a tripod. I haven't got it yet. I'm not gonna show you all the products right now. Once I set up the bunker and stuff, I'm gonna show it to you. Will you shut up? God damn it, it's so stupid. So anyways, that's it for now. I'm gonna, in a bit, maybe I will show you the setup and everything. But till that time, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm back right now. We're actually in the bunker kind of thing. I'm just show you. I'm gonna try showing you around. So this is the setup. That's my brother. There's just for moral support. We have the camera right there, the tripod, the camera, my laptop, and we have some dice. There's no seeds. That's a problem. So I have the camera here. I'm gonna set it up, and let's see what's gonna happen. I hope there is charge. I put it almost for 5 hours. So this is the camera we're using. It's a Sony. I have no clue. Yep, leave it. So let's see how much we have as a percentage. We have 100%. Good. Amazing. Now I'm going to set the tripod. I'm trying to be very calm, but there is people outside. It's stupid. Really stupid. So I have rice here in this cup. It's dry rice. I wanted to add some seeds also, but there's no seeds unfortunately in our house. So yeah, I'm setting up the tripod right now. There's good amount of birds out. Not that many, but it's whatever. I'm gonna set this camera up and hope for the bloody best.
Even should I stay?
Yeah, even you should stay low.
I'm just gonna drop.
I mean, that's too much low, but yeah, it's okay.
I don't want to ruin your moment.
So you have the camera. I'm gonna get a proper set up in a bit. There's no birds. I have rice set there. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, right now I'm gonna set the tripod. That's the main goal. Stay low, mate. So we have rice there, right there and there. I want the birds to be here so I can get a proper photo. Being honest, there's not much birds or photos. It's gonna be a long wait, probably. So yeah, there's so much noise, which is stupid. So yeah, I'm gonna show you this. I have the camera here, and I have a note where I'm gonna, note all the birds. A pen, my laptop. I'm not gonna use it probably much. Camera. This is the setup. I have this box so the birds can't see me. I'm gonna stay as low as possible, and yeah, not much. So I'm gonna get to you guys when we're set up. So we're set. That's the camera right there. I have my stuff here. I'm gonna note everything down. Don't worry, it's my brother's drawings and stuff. So I'm gonna start noting down here once we see the bird. This is give me a second. I'm gonna show you the proper angles and stuff. So this is exactly what's gonna happen. It's pointing exactly right there. Hopefully we're gonna see some birds and hope for the best. And that's the angle when the bird's here. I'm just gonna click and bang. But till that time the camera is turning off. Once I see a bird, I'm gonna stay low and we're gonna hope for the best. We really hope for the best. A bird just went by us. It's right there. So yeah, I'll see you when we get a bird. can see birds right there. It's a crow. I don't wanna write that in my book yet because it hasn't landed into place. There are a shit ton of pigeons going around us. I'm really hoping that the guy who's jackhammering stuff really stops it. It's gonna help me a lot. The sky is a bit dull today. I'm just hoping that there's gonna be a bird in the next hour or so probably. In the time lap I was throwing some of the rice around, so there is maybe a feeling in the birds that there's rice everywhere thrown around. So that's my hope. There's no birds. There were 3 birds flying around us, but there's none. It's just that crow right there sitting, doing absolutely nothing. He's wandering. Nothing else. So we're gonna see if there's any seeds in the house and we're gonna lay it around. So welcome back. It's been 20 minutes, 10 minutes actually, not even 20. There's actually a nightingale somewhere in that bush, in that scrubby area.
And
Jackhammering guy stopped, which is good. Good. Shit, fudge. It's falling down, everything's falling down. Everything's not going as planned. Okay, everything's good. Hey, stop throwing. Stop it. There are birds definitely around this area. The crow is still there. I tried to get a shot of it, but the camera is too weak. See, there's birds there. It's a pigeon. So we're gonna step it low now. And hope for the best. So it's a game of patience right now. There are pigeons because the jackhammer guy stopped. It's gonna be late if the birds come back. So I'm trying to be as quiet as possible. The guy is still doing some work. I think you guys couldn't hear me anything, but we're gonna see if we can get him. I'm gonna get a bird, him or her, I don't care. I want a bird. I want to, get a proper picture of him, and him or her. I'm not gonna, and try my best to show you guys also about it. We have some seeds there, but no birds. There's a hummingbird there, but hummingbirds don't eat rice. So that's a nana and the sun, and their sun. Most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, the sun.
There's a lot of birds next building, but it's not coming to our building. So it's really hard because.
So we have the camera on now, so I can see everything. And if there is a bird, I'm gonna start clicking. There is definitely sun. If you can see the sun. There's sun. Yeah, the sun. It was first a bit gloomy, and it's starting, and we can hear some birds also, we can hear a sparrow and more. And I even have a bird whistle, but I'm not gonna try today because one, it's first day. Stay low key. Try to at least get one picture of the bird, and try my best to have it on this book and to show you guys how my picture is. So it's gonna be fun. I don't know if we have 100% charging, so we're fine.
How long is the battery life on that?
I have no clue, but we're fine. Okay, so the camera just turned off.
It keeps turning off every minute.
So, I'm turn off the camera. So, whenever I see a bird, I'm gonna get you guys as quick as possible. I'm gonna get you guys in it. And you guys are gonna see. And I can't see any birds from now. So, I'll see you guys.
And there I was, hopeless, patientless, filming at the sun. And then, when I was about to give up, there was a miracle.
So, an update. No birds in our main site, but there's birds. So many over there. Stop. They're behind that building there. We're gonna see. I'm trying my best to get something here. We might have to move the camp to this section. But it's, look at that, look at those birds, god damn. They're all pigeons. The most common thing we're gonna see is probably 100% pigeons and crows. And being honest, by 5:30 there are gonna be cranes everywhere. We're gonna move to a different place and see those cranes. It's gonna be amazing. They're yellow-beaked cranes, is what I think they are. I mean, they are yellow. They have yellow beaks and they are cranes. And we're gonna see them. They're gonna move from that way to the other way. I have no clue what is. I don't know what side it is. But yeah, there are a lot of birds. We're gonna hope. See, we got something. And if you get, there's a nightingale here. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's a nightingale and the bird just left. Okay, sorry about that. I pressed the wrong button by mistake. But there's a nightingale, not this side, not exactly on this side, but on the other side. I really want to capture it, but it's very hard to do. So, we're gonna see. We shall wait for great things to happen. Oh god damn it, it's gone! Sauce. We just saw I think it's Asian Mayan. It was right there. It's a small bird. It has a yellow. Oh no, it's a bulbul. It's a small bird. It's brownish. We just lost it. We were being too loud. We switched positions, by the way, so we can get a better view of everything. And there are going to be a lot more birds this side of the place than that side, I hope. Being honest, I have no idea where we're going to camp. Camp is what we're going to call.
I think
But we're going to see cranes here, which is going to be spectacular. And yeah, as you see there, you can't see it properly, obviously. 100% you can't see it properly, but that, ladies and gentlemen, is I have no clue. It's a sparrow.
Yeah.
It's a small sparrow. It's an endangered species actually. Sad because our human culture is so bad. But there's the guys. So with that side, we're gonna see some nightingales probably. I have no clue. But yeah,
and 100% some cranes.
they're gonna see 100% cranes and that. I'm gonna show you that. Okay. Few pictures also. So yeah, I'll see you when we see a proper bird.
So after some time, we found two pigeons right there. So we ran and got some pictures. Here are the pictures.
Surprise everybody, we got a pigeon. I'm gonna show you the picture actually. It is literally one of the dopest. So okay, so one, that's a two, that's a three, that's a four. The pigeon was right there. It was absolutely amazing. It was dope. Now we're back in the actual spot. Now we're gonna do some improvements so the birds can't see us. And yeah, I'll see you when the improvements are done. So this is the setup for now. Not the best setup, obviously. I'm gonna get some proper settings onto this. Okay. Shit, sorry. That was bad. I should have done that. I'm gonna delete that. So this is the set we have. We're gonna have this box because I have no clue why. Damn it. And I'm sitting down here. It's not a great setup. I'm gonna improve. I'm gonna look through more tutorials and then do it because this is not ideal. But that's where the seeds are. I scattered them around a bit because I just thought there were too much in a place, and I think that's why there were birds here. There were definitely birds here, which is amazing. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I see a proper bird and take a proper picture.
So, as you guessed, I didn't find any birds after that. It was just hopeless, and it was all up to the next day. So here's the next day.
Okay guys, it's day 2. There's Asian Mayans right there. There's 2 Asian flipping Mayans. One's gone. The other one's right there. It's day 2, by the way, I'm telling this again. It's the Asian Mayan. It's gone. Hello you beautiful people, this is day 2. Yesterday I couldn't find anything, but today I found an Asian Mayan. I couldn't take a photo of it, but I did get a video of it. We're back in the bunker. we're gonna do some stuff. First, I'm gonna set up the camera. We're gonna have. I even set food right there. A rice, obviously. There's nothing else. There's a pigeon right sitting right here. It was whatever. I couldn't get a shot of it because my camera is not prepared. It's just laying down here, as you can see. Everything's here. So I'm gonna set everything up and let's see if we get a bird. Okay, welcome. I put the ladder here so it doesn't fall. Just gonna move it a bit here. It's good. Now I'm gonna set the camera up. I wanted to do a montage and stuff, but it's what I'm gonna set the camera up now. So setting up this camera is pretty easy. I just take it out like that. Take this out, remove few of its legs so it can extend. Do them out, clip them back in like that, like so, and then open, get the camera. I still don't know what camera it is. It's a good camera ish. It's not the biggest lens because like we're right in front, so so you need a bigger lens. And then clip. Okay, wait 1 second. It's tight, otherwise it's gonna fall down. Tighten it up. And then clip and close. Okay, I'm just tightening it up. And we're set. Now as we're here, I'm gonna move the camera a bit front. Like so, it's gonna be perfect. Oh no, the rice is blown. It got blown off. It's still getting blown off. This is rice that you can see. Ah, damn it, I have to put rice now. So I got rice here. I just have to sprinkle it. Yep, we're pretty good. So if I turn on the cam, we get a perfect shot of the bird right there. The current time is 10. I'm gonna write one of the bird I got today in my book. So I just did pigeon and crow because they were so common yesterday. I thought we were gonna see cranes, but we couldn't. I didn't get a picture of a crow, but I did get a picture of a crane. I mean a pigeon. So Asian. Man, my handwriting is pretty bad. Don't worry about that. So I'm gonna get try to get at least 10 birds' names. But for now I'm gonna stay quiet and low, and hopefully see a bird. There are a few birds around. So there are a few birds around. I'm gonna try capturing them. So there are a few birds around. I might capture them. I might not. There's one other building. It's looking at their eyes. Hopefully it comes for it. Please come for it. So yeah, I have no clue what to do. I'm just eating this rice. I'm just not eating the rice. I didn't know my camera could do a lot more zoom than I thought it could. So yeah. Alrighty, game. Okay, I got something. I got a bit impatient, so bought this secret weapon. It does. Hopefully I can get some birds' attentions. Let's see if a bird's here. Being honest, the kind of bird watching I am doing, you have to have a lot of patience. a lot more patience than I ever thought. And kid you not, I don't have much patience. It's a tough word after all. Not a tough word, it's tough. It is something like this. It's okay. So I got a bird's picture, it was right there, I'm not even kidding. Holy shit, man. I got it. I got it. Oh my god, it took so long. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh goddamn. Here it is. The pigeon was right there. It left because my brother started running towards me. I didn't get that many pictures of him. I only got one. I only got one pic. Hey, it's whatever. I got it. But I didn't get a proper clear picture. I never mind. I got a proper clear picture. You can see all of its lines and stuff. Amazing. Amazing. I just saw the bird flying. I'm like, okay. I try to be as quiet as possible though. Put this puppy back. So you do it stuff. I'm gonna have it a bit loose. See, we got a picture. So I got some really good pictures for today's morning. The current time is 11:30. I got some really good pictures for today. I'm really happy. My brother also got some pictures. I'm gonna link his channel in the description also. There's still birds out there, but I can't get any of them, of them because they're all that side. They're in that bush areas. I can't properly get a shot on them. There are crows right now. That's what I'm looking at. But the first good bird we got is a unique bird. Is an Asian. It's not an Asian man. It's a common Mayan. It's not an Asian Mayan. I've looked it up. It's a common Mayan. I'm just happy. I'm really happy. I got one picture. I'm sure in the evening there are going to be way more than that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the evening. Looks like when this is in a different color, orange probably. If it's orange, it's gonna look sick. I got a pigeon, which is enough. There are pigeons right there also. You're able to see them. I'm gonna get my camera inside, put it in charge, and see you guys in the evening. Welcome to day 3. We saw 3 cranes today. So I got my trusty dusty camera here to get some. See, there are pigeons up there flying. Happy and stuff. But yeah.
There are 2 clothes right there.
Main focus today. Oh my god, that guy is having a bit too much fun. See, there's another one.
Oh, look at it. It's coming. Look, right there.
It's fun. We're gonna see some cranes, hopefully. I
Look,
actually
there's one
said,
right there.
shut up, man. I said it'll be yesterday evening, but yesterday evening we found nothing. It was just gloomy, dark. It was a bad day. And now look at we have a nice, beautiful day today. I'm gonna be capturing some nice stuff. I actually got a pigeon today morning. I'm gonna show you that in a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. Hold this.
Got it.
But look at my face today. So, okay. Oh, this is one, brother. Can you hold it?
I will hold the camera for you.
So that's one of the picture. There's 2.
That one was really good. Let's go back.
Yeah, this one's
That
good.
was one. That was.
Yeah, I grabbed a lot. Yeah. I got quite a few. I'm a bit sweaty right now. I did some workout and shit like that. There is a nightingale. It's flying around. Oh, that's a crow. Oh my god, you see that? It's flying, it's flying. It's defending itself. Okay, a crow and a nightingale are having a fight. It defended itself. It's gone there somewhere. You can hear it screaming for its dear life. Look, it's right there, it's right there. You see it? It's flying. Oh my god, it's right there.
Where is it?
It's far away now. The two crows are chasing it.
Oh no, okay.
No, these are not. These are
Those are pigeons.
They're pigeons, but you guys can. Oh my god. It's somewhere right there. It's along there. They're gonna come back here because this is where it is. That's the home of that tree. Is the home of that nightingale. It was amazing to see. The two crows are chasing it. Hopefully, it doesn't die. See, there's one of the crow. It's going for a different tactic. Looks like, or they just gave up.
It's so close.
Okay, so the two crows gave up. The two crows gave up. Yeah, that's dope. We found a nightingale today. Nightingale. Not a picture. I mean, a video of it, not a picture. So yeah, so there's a pigeon right there. I'm gonna get a picture of it. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Welcome. I couldn't get that pigeon's pic. It just flew. I really don't care. It's a pigeon. You know, it's getting better today. It's gonna be way better. I'm gonna place you guys here, so you know, I can get some pics if you know I can. Camera is still on. It's perfect. I'm gonna take a picture of you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of you guys. Let's see if we can find anything, and if we did, I'm gonna click that boy out of it.
My brother said he found a flock.
Okay, so I found the. Come on. See, there's a flock. Oh, it's too far.
It's way too far. You guys can't see it.
It's too far. Oh, damn it.
The camera can't focus on it.
God damn it.
You guys see like a black dot right there. Dot. Look. You guys can't see it. Oh my god. My brother was so
I
excited.
was so excited. It flew too far.
He
I
flew.
was gonna come this side. It didn't. Calculations were bloody wrong.
Oh, I mean.
Okay. You obviously cut the camera. What's up? Another update. There's probably not that many birds, so we're playing chess.
Lucky. Put the
You're gonna see a proper chess match between my brother and I.
Obviously, my brother's gonna win.
I'm
because
gonna
I have
win.
no experience of chess. Let's go.
Exactly. So I'm gonna play a time lapse for you guys, so you guys can see what we do.
There's an ant.
Ah, damn it! Shit! Ah!
It's dead. No worry.
Okay, time lapse. Time lapse.
What position?
First time. Yeah, I give up. I give up. You won! You flippin' won! This guy won for the first time. I gave up because stupid. There was so many bird opportunities. I missed everything. I'm really pissed. Couldn't play on my prime today. So here we are again. Not the best 3 days. I'll admit it. But it's great. It gave me an interest. It gave me a hobby to do in this quarantine. So it's I want to do more, but this is not the I can't do more than this. I am out is what I'm gonna say. Couldn't complete it. I got 4 birds in the bag. I have a pigeon, I have a crow, I have a crane, not a proper, but you guys saw. Oh no, not a crane, a nightingale and a common Mayan. I said in the last video it was an Asian Mayan. I'm sorry, it's a common Mayan. It's called common because it's a common man, because it's common, obviously. That's the end of this series, documentary, whatever you want to call. I'll see you next. I'm 100% gonna do one more. That is for sure. I'm gonna do more of these because I love making them, and I hope you love seeing these. If you do, subscribe, like the video. It is something I'm passionate about. I'm really passionate about of animals, birds, and other stuff. So it just gave me that motivation to do something. So I did it. Beautiful place to do anything and everywhere. I have a nice terrace up here. I have a dope ass balcony. I have a good-ish camera. This is not the best camera for far away shots, but it's what it is. I'm working on what I have. I'm not going to improve much more in the next. It's going to take, okay, 1 second. Okay, we got a crane also in the bag. We just got the crane. I'm gonna show you. Give me a second, I'm gonna show you guys. So here we are. I'm gonna show you some of the. So it's not the most clearest, but I just saw them. I'm like, oh my god, that's a crane. It just left right now. I was like, oh, that's a crane. So I got some. I don't know if you guys can see it. Dope. I'm really happy. Just a dope place, dope stuff to do here. So my main takeaway here is I'm hoping I'll do more of these. Okay, give me a second. I think it's gonna be close. Okay, never mind. It just landed. So I'm hoping I'll do more of these. I love making these. It's really, I love editing these. I love doing everything. This is the best kind of way of doing something. I'll tell you, it's a crow, so that's not more important. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support you guys have given me. This is the being honest, you guys are the main reason I'm doing stuff like this. Otherwise, I'm a guy who gives up so easily that I can't even that I know. So yeah, thank you so much. Subscribe. Not if you want, you have to subscribe. I did too much hard work on this, woke up early in the morning and doing stuff like that. So yeah, first video of something I did. By the time you're seeing this, it's bit, it's a 3-day journey. I was gonna go for a week, but I can't go for a week. I'm sorry, I really can't go for a week. 3 days is max I can do. Once I have some better equipment, I can probably do more. The first day I was just like, hyped. I woke up at 5 also to see some birds, but there were none. And I did so much research. I talked to other people, other stuff, other professionals. Oh, that was a pigeon. Other professionals and stuff like that. It was good communicating with those people. They don't have Instagrams, so I'm not gonna link them. There's no link. And yeah, it was really fun. So I love you guys. Peace. For now, I'll be back with another one of these. 100% sure. I'm gonna try my best to make another one. See you all later. Instagram link in the description. You can go follow. You can see my brother's channel also. I'll link it down. I won't stop this thing. No. I won't record, but I won't record much. But I'm not gonna stop this. This is something I personally find it amazing. Even you guys can do. I'm gonna make a proper stuff. What you have to do. I'm gonna make a checklist and stuff. So in the checklist we got 5 birds. Thought of doing 10. I couldn't do 10. There's not many birds here while I'm quarantined. So peace. I said this peace long ago, but yeah, I'm a head out. You guys can see the beautiful sky. Peace.